In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which buttons to click, so your footage is ready to use inside the platform. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Heygen. This is the quickest way to get to the site if you don't have it bookmarked yet. In your results, look for the official Heygen website. Make sure the address looks correct and professional to avoid landing on a lookalike page. When you see the official result, go ahead and click it to open the home page. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. This takes you into your account, so you can access your projects and tools. If you're already signed in, you might be taken straight to your dashboard, which is exactly where we want to be to continue. From the main dashboard, click AI Studio. This is the workspace where you'll build and organize your projects, and it's also where the media library lives. If you don't see it immediately, look for it in the top navigation or the main section of the page. On the right sidebar inside AI Studio, click Media. The Media section is your library. It's where all of your uploaded assets, including videos, will be stored for easy reuse across projects. Opening this panel gives you quick access to My Media and upload options. Now, click My Media. This view shows your personal collection and is the correct place to add your own files. Keeping everything in My Media helps you stay organized and ensures the assets are available whenever you need them. To add your video, you have two simple choices. If you already have your file handy, drag it directly into the My Media area. You'll see the drop zone highlight when you're in the right spot. If you prefer to browse for the file, click the upload icon. That will open your computer's file picker in a new pop-up window so you can navigate to the video you want. After you've selected the file in the pop-up, click Open. This confirms your choice and starts the upload. You should see a progress indicator. Larger files will naturally take longer. Keep the browser tab open while the upload finishes and avoid putting your device to sleep. Once the progress completes, your video will appear in My Media, ready to drag into any project in AI Studio. That's it. Your video is now uploaded to Heygen. If you ever need to add more, just repeat these exact steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you upload your next clip.